So good morning to one and all. We have finished the series RL circuit and series RC circuit. Now we'll go for the series RLC circuit. So before starting the series RLC circuit, we'll just brief review will take about the RL and RC circuit. Okay. So what is the current equation for the RL circuit? RL circuit. Can anyone tell the answer? For the RL circuit, what is the current equation?
I is equal to Im sin omega t plus phi.
RC circuit को
Same.
minus pi na sir.
which one is -5? For which circuit it will become
For
-5?
RL.
RL.
For RL sir.
For RL -5. RC?
Yes.
RC को?
Plus phi.
Okay. For the RL circuit, current leads the voltage or voltage leads the current? RL circuit, which one is leads?
Voltage leads the current.
Voltage leads the current phi and by an angle of phi. The RL circuit. Then what is the equation for the RL circuit? Current equation. So obviously voltage leads the current means current lags the voltage, na?
Yes, sir.
Lags the voltage
Yes,
by
sir.
phi. So current is lagging means current equation should be
Minus.
-5. So starting one person, you told +5. That is not +5. It is -5. You have to remember that is the very important thing here now. For the capacitive circuit, RC circuit, current leads the voltage by an angle of phi. For that reason, the current equation I equal to I Im sin omega t plus phi we are going to consider that. Okay. What is the
Yes.
formula for XL? XL, what is the formula?
One upon omega L.
1 upon omega L. Any other answers?
Omega L.
Only omega L.
Yes.
Here only two answers I got. Omega L or 1 by omega L?
Omega L.
Omega L. So XL equal to omega L, then XC equal to
1 upon omega c.
1 upon omega C. This is starting immediately will give the answer. Don't do like that. Think and give the answer. Before giving the answer, just think that one. You have to analyze in your mind only. It is correct or wrong, which one you have to remember that one. So that is also important thing here now. So to discuss before starting the RLC series circuit, if you understood RL and RC circuit, then only you are going to understand this one here. So this one actually, whatever RLC circuit is there, if you understood pure resistance load, AC circuit with pure resistance, pure inductance, capacitance, RC and RL, then only we can solve this one easily here now. If you remember that, then it will become very, very easy for you people this one to understand this RLC series circuit. What I have considered in this one, I have considered three circuit elements: resistance, capacitance and inductance. All are connected in series across an AC supply voltage here now. R, L, C series में connection हो गए. These all are connected in series, and across where it is, across the supply voltage, it is connected here now. So all of you very well know about that one. In a series circuit, the voltage is different, the current is only one here now. One current will flow in all the resistance, inductance and capacitance. But voltage across resistance is different, voltage across inductance is different, voltage across capacitance is different here now. Yes, it is different.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
voltage
sir.
is same only. We will take reference as voltage. So the alternating supply voltage is instantaneous voltage V equal to Vm sin omega t. This is the formula we can write for the voltage. There is no difficulty to write the voltage equation here now. So for all the R circuit, C circuit, L circuit, RL, RC, RLC, the voltage equation is same only.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
voltage equation is same only. Only the current equation and average power will be changed. Yes, average power is changed here. So we'll consider here now. Voltage is applied here. The current will start to flow here, and it will flow in the resistance. The voltage drop will occurs in the resistance, that is VR equal to, according
IR.
to
IR.
VR equal to IR. We can call that one voltage drop across resistance is IR. So VR equal to IR. So this VR is in phase with current, or is leading and lagging? Here the current is flowing here, no? This
In
current
phase.
Yes.
voltage across the resistance is in phase with current because it is only resistance here now. Next, it will flow, the same current will flow through the inductor here now. Again, some voltage drop will occurs at the inductor here now. That voltage drop we are going to consider as VL here now. So VL is in phase with current or lags the voltage, sorry, current, and leads the current. Which one is applicable here now? VL is in phase with current.
Left the current.
Lags.
Left.
VL lags the current. Think twice before giving the answer.
VL leads the current.
Leads
Current
the
left
current.
VL.
Because see, for the inductive circuit, current lags the voltage, but voltage leads the current, na?
Yes, sir.
So VL not lags here. VL leads the current by 90 degree. This VL, it will leads the current 90 degree. Then we will go for the capacitance here now. So voltage drop across capacitance is IXC. We are going to call here now VC equal to IXC. So this VC lags the current or leads the current?
Left the current.
VC lags the current by 90 degree. We can tell that one here now. We can tell that one here now. So these two are the imaginary parts. These two are the imaginary parts. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is imaginary part or complex form. We are going to consider this one. So reactive components we are going to consider is not a real component. L and C both are reactive component. While writing the equation, it is very difficult to write the current equation because V equal to Vm sin omega t we can write easily. If only RL is there, I equal to Im sin omega t minus 5 we can write. If only C is there, I equal to Im sin omega t plus 5 we can write down. But here both combinations are there here. Sin omega t plus 5 minus 5 will get cancelled. Sin omega t only we can write if both are same here. But here we cannot write the current equation for the RLC circuit here. No, here three conditions will come here. Three conditions will come here. What are those three conditions? VL is greater than VC. Voltage drop across inductance is greater than VC. Then this circuit acts as RL circuit. VL VC से ज़्यादा होगा तो VL minus VC it will comes in the inductive form only. Yes. VL
Yes,
is
sir.
greater than VC. Then it acts, the whole circuit it acts as a RL circuit. RL circuit हो जाएगा. If the VC is greater than VL, VC is greater than VL, then the circuit acts as
RC.
RC circuit. And the third condition is very important here. Now, if VL equal to VC, VL minus VC will become 0. The circuit will act as only resistive circuit here. Now, the circuit is acts as only resistive circuit here. Now, how many conditions are there here?
3.
Three conditions are there depending on the inductance and capacitance. If VL is greater than VC, then it acts as RL. VC is greater than VL, then RC circuit, and VL equal to VC, then it will become R circuit only.
Resistance.
And similarly, for the impedance triangle, we can write this one: XL is greater than XC. This will, for inductance, we are going to find in the reactance, na?
Yes, sir.
XL is greater than XC, then it will become RL. XL is less than XC, then it will become RC. XL equal to XC, then it will become as a R circuit. We can call that one here now. So depending on these conditions only, we can write the equations. If VL is greater than VC, for the RL circuit, we can write the current equation I equal to Im sin omega t minus phi. We can write that one. Minus phi we can write for VL is greater than VC. Yes. Second
Yes.
condition.
Yes.
If VL is less than VC, what is the current equation?
I is equal to Im sin omega t
Yes,
plus
sin
phi.
omega plus phi.
Plus phi. Okay. If VL equal to VC or XL equal to XC, then what is the current equation? Silent हो गया अभी. If VL equal to VC or XL equal to XC. What is the current equation?
I sin of omega t.
Huh? I equal to? Very simple. I equal to Im sin omega t. Why you people are thinking
Yes,
like
sir.
that? Because it acts as only resistive circuit. It acts as, so for the resistive circuit, I equal to Im sin omega t, which is in phase with current. That's it here now. That is a very important thing we have to discuss here now. So the current voltage equation we can write as it is here. Then we will go further. Here three conditions. Sorry, before three conditions, three voltage drops are there. One is voltage drop across the resistance, that is VR equal to IR, which is in phase with, just a minute, VR equal to IR, which is in phase with current here now. Next, VL equal to IXL, which is the voltage across the inductance leads the current by 90 degree, or current lags the voltage across inductance by 90 degree. We can call that one also. So for the next capacitance, voltage drop across the capacitance, which is lags behind the voltage, by 90 degree, here now. By considering these all the things here now, so there are actually two cases they have written. It is not two cases. There are three cases are there that can be, we can write VL should be greater than VC and VL is less than VC. And VL equal to VC also we can condition. One more condition we have to apply here now. Based on that one, we have to draw the phasor diagram. We have to draw here now. So that phasor diagram here, two phasor diagrams we have to consider here now. If VL equal to greater than VC, if VL is greater than VC, then what will happen? We'll draw that one. I will better option by taking the circuit diagram only. I will explain here only. If this VL is greater than VC, next the first current will flow in the current I will take as a reference here. Just a minute, I will remove this part, all the things. So here, what we will do, if VL is greater than VC, the circuit will act as RL. The circuit will act as
Yes,
RL
sir.
circuit. Okay. Then the voltage, first we are taking the current as a reference plane here now. I will take current as a reference plane here now. That is I. Yes. I will take here now. So when the current will flow through the resistance, this voltage drop across resistance which is in phase with current. Phase in current means will come somewhere here only. इधर तक आ जाएगा. That is called VR. We are going to
VR.
call that one. It is VR. From VR, this voltage drop across this L and C both we are going to consider, because VL is greater than VC here now. So we can write VL minus VC. Both are reactive component. VL minus VC, we are going to call that one here. No. So for the condition VL is greater than VC, we are going to consider the formula is for that one VL minus VC only we are going to use here. No. So here the voltage drop across the inductance is nothing but VL minus VC. Total voltage drop across this inductance RL circuit act हो जाएगा VL minus VC. This VL minus VC will lags the current or leads the current?
Leads.
Leads the current. So from here to here we can write here 90 degree. That is the angle. 90 degree it is going to leads. So VL minus VC we have to write here now. VL minus VC. This is only one voltage only we can consider here now. So this is 90 degree current को 90 degree leading है ना voltage drop across inductance.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, what we have to find? We have to find the resultant voltage here. Now, the resultant, to get the resultant voltage, we have to join this voltage into here now. So, whatever the angle is there, this is the angle between, what is this one? Here, which one is
Phi.
started here? Current is started here. Now, this is current only, na? Current, and this one we will consider as voltage here now. Current and voltage, we are going to call that one here. This is for the condition VL minus VC. So is nothing but VL is greater than VC.
Yes.
को हो गया.
VC.
Understood?
Yes.
Next
sir.
one. Next, what we will do? If the condition VC is greater than VL, we will consider VC is greater than VL. VC is greater than VL, or VL is less than
VC.
VC, we can call that one. So the circuit will act as a capacitive circuit. Now VC minus VL, we have to use the formula. VC minus VL, we have to use the formula here now. Next, the current I will take as a current as a reference plane here now. I will take current as a reference plane. Next, it will go to the resistance here now. So the voltage drop across the resistance, I will write here as VR, which is in phase with current.
Phase.
Okay. Next, this one, it is acts as a VC only, voltage drop across capacitance, because VC is greater than VL, is nothing but XC is greater than XL. So voltage drop across capacitance leads the current or lags the current?
Lagged.
Lags the
Current.
current.
Voltage drop across current is lags. Lags is nothing but downside we have to draw,
Down.
that is 90 degree here now. This is current I, and the current to voltage, this one is 90 degree, which is VC minus VL here now. VC
VL.
minus VL. So the resultant we have to join here now. So that is called our V here. The angle between voltage and current is phi.
Phi.
We can tell
Phi.
that one. We can tell that one here now. Is it clear? This one?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Sir.
Yes,
Next,
sir.
next the third condition, that is VL equal to VC. VL equal to VC. VL equal to VC or XL equal to XC. Then the resultant reactive component will become 0, because whatever it may be, VL minus VC means VL minus VC, VC minus VC, it will become 0. So the circuit will act as pure resistance here. Now pure resistance ko I we are going to consider here, and with the reference of that one, the VR we have to draw. This is the third condition where XL equal to XC, XL equal to XC. So then it acts as only resistive circuit here now, or VL equal to VC, we can tell that one here now. VL equal to VC here now. This is the third condition, we are going to call that one here. This is the third condition. So voltage drop across resistance is in phase with I only. That's it. This is same like a resistive symbol here. Now resistance phasor diagram. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So this is the simple explanation of phasor diagram. We are going to call that one here now. Explanation of phasor diagram. For VL equal to, sorry, VL is greater than VC, the current equation I equal to
I am sin omega t minus phi.
Im sin omega t
Minus phi.
minus phi. Minus phi. For VL is less than VC, then current equation will become
I am sin omega t.
Is it
I am sin omega t
phi?
plus
Im sin omega t plus
Plus
phi.
phi.
Yes. If VL equal to VC,
I am sin omega t.
I
I
am
am sin
sin
omega.
omega t.
VL equal to VC, then I equal to all small I we have to write down. I have written capital I am sin omega t. That's it. We are going to all three equations we have to identify here now. All three instantaneous equations for three conditions here now. Next, for the all three conditions, whatever the I will copy opus. Clear all. Exit. Control V. Okay. Next, we will go for here the equations. This is the phasor diagram. Only phasor diagram I have drawn here for the two conditions only. All three conditions we have to draw the phasor diagram. One more I will add here only. So next we'll go for the equations. We'll go here. If from the first condition you consider that for the case 1, if VL is greater than VC, then reactive component will become VL minus VC for the first condition. Yes. So the resultant voltage V equal to square root of VR square plus VL minus VC whole square. It is nothing but. Yes, VL minus VC whole square.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So VR equal to IR. We know formula.
Yes, sir.
Voltage drop across resistance is IR. So IR square we are going to write here now. But here VL and VC we have to write separately here now. IXL VL equal to IXL minus as it is VC equal to IXC. So here from this one we can take I common we can take down.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Here also I, here also I. For all the I, square is there. So I square, when we will take outside from the square root, it will become I.
Yes, sir.
So I square root of R square plus XL minus XC whole square. So this complete term is Z now here. This complete term is ZV equal to IZ we are going to consider, where Z equal to square root of R square plus XL minus XC square, we can call that one here now. If V is greater than VC, then VL minus VC we are going to write, or XL is greater than XC, then XL minus XC we have to write down here. Both are same only. In the form of voltage we are telling, in the form of reactance we have to tell here now. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
from
sir.
the RL, VL is greater than VC, the tan phi equal to reactive component divided by which is the reactive component? This is opposite divided by adjacent. We can tell that one tan phi equal to
PL minus VC.
VL minus
VL
VR.
minus VC divided by VR. So phi equal to VL, tan inverse of VL minus VC divided by VR. We can write here
VR.
now. Cos phi equal to
PR by V.
VR by V.
V we can write down for this first condition. We can write the formula here now. We can write the formula for the first condition. Next we'll go for the second condition. They have not considered here. I will tell that one. For the second condition, what will happen? The same thing we are going to write down, where VL and VC should be reversed here now. VL minus VC है ना, this VC minus
VC minus VL.
VL
VL.
square.
VL.
Here EXC minus EXL square we have to write down here now. And here also VL minus VC लिखा है ना, same thing we are going to, everything will become same one. Yes.
Yes, sir.
But what about for the
Yes,
third
sir.
condition? What about for the third condition? Third condition, VL minus VC term, it will become 0 here now. Yes. Only V
Yes,
equal
sir.
to VR square. IR square, it is nothing but V equal to IR, we are going to tell. R equal to Z, we can tell that one here. R equal to Z. So there is no phase angle between voltage and current because both are in
Phase.
phase. So VL minus VC will become 0.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Phase angle will become 0 over there here now. So for the third condition, it will applicable here now. Is it clear? Any doubts?
Yes,
कुछ
sir.
समझ में आ रहा है
No,
क्या
sir.
नहीं, वो बोलो मेरे को important thing.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understanding?
Understood.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So these are the impedance equations and phase angle equations we have derived here now. Next, for the power equations, we have to write down whatever it may be, the average power for the RL circuit will become resistance only because average power for the inductance is 0.
0.
Average
Yes,
power
sir.
for the capacitance is also 0.
0.
So average power of the resistance only we are going to consider here. No. So P equal to VR I. VR I we can write down from the cos phi equal to VR by V. So VR equal to V cos phi we can write down here. No. So P equal to VI cos phi we are going to get here. Yes.
Yes,
The average power of
Yes.
the resistance only we are going to get here now. So for that reason, for the total equations, the current equation may be if I equal to Im sin omega t plus or minus phi, they have written here now. Plus or minus phi. The third condition is very rare. So for that reason, only two conditions we have considered. By considering XL is greater than XC or XC is greater than XL. So whatever it may be, I equal to Im sin omega t plus or minus, it may be plus or it may be phi depending on the conditions. We are going to use this plus and minus symbol here now. So phi we are using here now. We are using that one here now. So it will complete the series RLC circuit here now. Series RLC circuit. If किसी को कुछ doubt है तो पूछ सकते हैं. So waveforms we have not drawn. Why we have not drawn? Already RL का waveform है तुम्हारे पास.
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
RC का waveform है
Yes, sir.
और
Yes,
R
sir.
का भी waveform है. Why you have to take two more times and all the things? Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So only important term I will dictate you peoples. You note down. Have you taken the heading?
Yes, sir.
RLC series circuit. Take the heading and take the diagram. Diagram ले लो. Take on the diagram.
Yes, sir.
The alternating voltage is given by. The alternating voltage is given by. Alternating voltage is given by V equal to Vm sin omega t. Write down V equal to Vm sin omega t. Over.
Yes.
Next line. The voltage drop across resistance resistance VR 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 is in phase with I. 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 Over.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
नेक्स्ट लाइन रिटर्न वी आर इक्वल टू आई आर बॉक्स में लिखो वी आर इक्वल टू आई आर नेक्स्ट लाइन द वोल्टेज ड्रॉप अक्रॉस इंडक्टर VL leads the current VL leads the current by 90 degree leads the current I by 90 degrees by 90 degree 90 degree. Next line item VL equal to IXL. VL equal to IXL. Next third point. The voltage across capacitor VC, the voltage across capacitor VC lags the current. VC lags the current by 90 degree. VC lags the current by 90 degree. By 90 degree. Next line VC equal to IXC. IXC. Full point. Next line. With the above information, the phasor diagram can be drawn. With the above information, the phasor diagram can be drawn. The phasor diagram can be drawn for three cases. The phasor diagram can be drawn for three cases. Which are एक ही पेज में लिखने का है. सुनो फर्स्ट एक ही पेज में which are बोल के लिखो. इधर डायग्राम लिखो. दिस वन केस 1 बोल के लिखो. अपर हेडिंग केस 1 VL is greater than VC. लिख रहे क्या?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
VL is greater than VC बोल के लिखो. ये डायग्राम ले लो अभी. दिस डायग्राम. नेक्स्ट सेकेंड डायग्राम केस 2 बोल के लिखो. VL is less than VC. दिस डायग्राम ले लो. दिस केस 3 लिखो, VL इक्वल टू VC. VL इक्वल टू VC. ऑल 3 डायग्राम्स लिखो. ऑल डायग्राम्स होने के बाद बोल दो मेरे को. ओवर. Over.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All 3 diagrams you have taken.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay. So next condition, we will tell that one. Take case 1 heading. Take case 1. Case 1. Case 1. When VL is greater than VC, when VL is greater than VC, VL is greater than VC, or XL is greater than XC, or XL is greater than XC, 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 XC. We can write. You write this formula. V equal to VR square minus VL minus VC. ये formula लिखो up to here. All complete equation you write down. All equations you write down. Over.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So one more equation you write down. Power factor cos phi equal to VR by V. Or power factor cos phi equal to VR by V. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट लाइन, केस टू, केस टू, केस टू लिखो। केस टू, when XL is less than VL is less than VC, VL is less than VC, VL is less than VC, or XL is less than XC, XL is less than XC, XC, write down. The phase angle is negative. Next line, the phase angle is negative. The phase angle is negative. And the circuit is capacitive. And the circuit is capacitive. Circuit is capacitive. It behaves like a series RC circuit. It behaves like a series RC circuit. Series RC circuit. फुल पॉइंट। अभी इसके पहले केस वन को लिखा है ना, ये पॉइंट लिखा है क्या केस वन को? दिस वन
No, sir.
ये लिख
No.
दो ना, लिख दो
Yes.
उसका नीचे ही लिखो, केस वन व्हेन VL इज ग्रेटर देन VC, ऐसा लिखा है ना, उसका नीचे नहीं तो बाजू एक पॉइंट लिख दो, ये इंपॉर्टेंट है। द फेज एंगल इज पॉजिटिव एंड द सर्किट इज इंडक्टिव एंड इट बिहेव्स लाइक ए सीरीज RL सर्किट, ऐसा लिख दो। द फेज एंगल इज पॉजिटिव, phase angle is positive and the circuit is inductive and behaves like a series RL circuit, behaves like a series RL circuit, full point लिखा है?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
ओके, अभी केस टू का इसका नीचे लिखो, बिहेव्स लाइक ए सीरीज RC सर्किट है ना, उसका नीचे क्या लिखने का? नेक्स्ट ही सेम इक्वेशन यू हैव टू राइट डाउन, सेम इक्वेशन बट VL का प्लेस में VC लिखो, VC का प्लेस में VC लिखो। सो VC माइनस VL लिखने का है दिस टर्म। V इक्वल टू, राइट डाउन, V इक्वल टू स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ VR स्क्वायर प्लस VC माइनस VL होल स्क्वायर, VC माइनस VL होल स्क्वायर। वो ये थोड़ा ध्यान से लिखो, क्यों नहीं मैं बोल रहा हूँ तो ये इक्वेशन मैंने और एक बार नहीं लिखा है पीपीटी में, उसके लिए VC माइनस VL स्क्वायर हो गए।
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट V इक्वल टू स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ IR स्क्वायर प्लस अप टू ईयर सेम लिखने का, दिस वन IXC माइनस IXL होल स्क्वायर, IXC माइनस IXL होल स्क्वायर, XC माइनस XL होल स्क्वायर ओवर।
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next V equal to I square root of R square plus XC minus XL square, XC minus XL whole square, this one XC minus XL whole square. Next line V equal to IZ, where impedance equal to Z equal to R square plus XC minus XL square लिखने का, XL minus XC का प्लेस में XC minus XL you have to write down, XC minus XL you have to write down here now. हो गई इधर तक? XC minus
Yes, sir.
XL, XC minus XL लिखा है इसमें, XC
Yes, sir.
minus XL. Okay. Next line, phase angle you write down, phase angle. Write this complete term, but VL minus VC का place में VC minus VL you have to write down. VC minus VL, IXC minus IXL, XC minus XL. किसको समझ में आया वही लोग लिख सकते हैं, बाकी को लिखने के लिए तकलीफ हो जाएगा. Frankly, I'm telling you peoples. Wherever VL minus VC is there, in that place you write VC minus VL. VC minus VL लिख रहा है. XL माइनस XC के प्लेस में XC माइनस XL लिखने का. Over.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Next, case 3 you write down. Case 3. Case 3. Case 3. When VL equal to VC, when VL equal to VC, when VL equal to VC, or XL equal to yes, XC, or XL equal to XC, 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 write down. The phase angle is 0. The phase angle is 0. The phase angle is 0, 0, and the circuit is purely resistive. The circuit is purely resistive, and behaves like a pure resistive circuit. Behaves like a pure resistive circuit. Pure resistive circuit. Full point. Over.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next line write down V equal to IR. Sorry, ये लिखो. V equal to square root of VR square. V equal to square root of VR square. VR square. Or V equal to VR. V equal to VR. Only VR लिखो. Next line, V equal to IR. V equal to IR. Therefore, V equal to IZ. V equal to IZ, where Z equal to
R.
R. That's it. Z equal to R. Z equal to R. Next line. Phase angle phi equal to 0. Phase angle phi equal to 0. Phase angle phi equal to 0. Over.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
One more equation you have to write down. इस केस 1 में नीचे किधर तो लिखो. The current equation is I equal to, केस 1 का नीचे किधर तो लिख दो. केस 1 में the current I is I equal to Im sin omega t minus phi. केस 1 में लिखो I equal to Im sin omega t minus phi. हो गए.
Yes, sir.
I2 सॉरी इसमें लिखो केस 2 में लिखो. केस 2 में the current I equal to Im sin omega t plus phi. Im sin omega t plus phi. Plus phi. over
Yes, sir.
थर्ड में लिखो I equal to Im sin omega t, थर्ड केस में लिखो Im sin omega t. Over.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next line. The angle is positive or negative. The angle is positive or negative. The angle is positive or negative. Positive or negative. Depending on the circuit elements. The angle is positive or negative depending on the circuit elements. Depending on the circuit elements. Depending on the circuit elements. The voltage and current. The voltage and current can be represented by following equations. Can be represented by following equations. Write this one. V equal to Vm sin omega t. V equal to Vm sin omega t. And I equal to Im sin omega t plus or minus phi. Plus or minus phi. Over.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Last you write down average power equal to, up to here you write down average power. इधर से इधर तक लिख दो, लिखने के बाद बोल दो. We'll stop here only and it will complete the third unit here only. This is the last point of the third unit, that is average power of the RLC circuit. Here also for the average power for the inductance is 0, for the average power of capacitance is 0. So the only resistance has the average power is nothing but the only resistance will consume the power. So P equal to VI cos pi, V equal to IZ and I square, Z gets cancel cos pi se. So I square R, we are going to tell that one here. Over.
Yes, sir.
So it completes the third unit here. So have you applied the assignment number 2? Apply kiye, submit
sir.
kiye kya?
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Not yet. So today we have completed the third unit. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow maybe holiday is there. Holiday na tomorrow?
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow and day after tomorrow holiday, and today at 6 p.m. or 5:30? 4:30. You have the UT2. Unit test 2 hai B triple ka hai na?
Yes, sir.
I have prepared the question paper. I will Banasi sir will give the link. You submit the UT2 today, and maybe on the next within 2 to 3 days I will take the UT3 also. Third chapter ke upar bhi UT3 lene wala hu. You do one thing. I will open the assignment questions of third chapter. How many questions are there? Assignment I will give na. Here also, okay, more than 100 questions are there. 103. Here also you 50 questions you upload that one. Any 50 questions. Okay. For the third unit also 50 questions you have to upload that one. Fourth one is very simple, means it will not consume much more time. And the questions also of very small unit and only 40 questions are there. For the fourth, we'll take 20 questions as an assignment here now. So for the third unit, 50 questions you take as assignment questions, and you upload that one in the same link only. Up to third assignment I am giving here.